How'd you get to this weird, dumb planet?
Ego found me in the larva state, orphan on my home world. He raised me by hand and kept me as his own.
So you're a pet?
I suppose.
People usually want cute pets. Why would Ego want such a hideous one?
I am hideous?
You are horrifying to look at, yes. But that's a good thing.
Oh?
When you're ugly and someone loves you, you know they love you for who you are. Beautiful people never know who to trust.
Well, then I'm certainly grateful to be ugly.
Those pools, they remind me of a time when I took my daughter through the forgotten lakes of my homeworld. She was like you.
Disgusting?
Innocent.